Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are doing a UHRS training and qualification for a head called Would the User Click This Ad English. We do have a guideline for this. You can pull it up. It's totally optional if you want to go through the guidelines, but this one should be easy to work on. So the search we just have to look at the user search term and then would answer the question: Would the user click this ad based on their search term? Hover over labels to see guidelines and examples for each option. For more details and example, read the guideline document. It has 2 pages. So these are the examples. Let's try to work on the training mode first and then jump into quali, and I hope we pass it. User search term is 2018 Volvo V90 foot activated liftgate. And this is going to be the the advertisement. Tailgate lift support struts, keep your truck better organized. Let's go to Google and let me look at how this thing look like. Huh. Okay. So that's a tailgate. And let me look at this one here. Unfortunately, it doesn't open up. User might, for me, the exact correct product, search Rolex watch, Android. Oh, I'm sorry, ad is Rolex watches. User would not completely unrelated. National debt, bad credit loan. Um, tailgate lift support. Activated lift gate. I would think number one here. It's not exact. Yep, we got it right. Flight tracker. Flight at incredible prices. Expedia. Um, this is one as well. Can you watch Agents to Shield on Disney Plus? Disney Plus. Disney Plus. I think this is it has nonsense because it is not. I think it's number one as well. Okay. The ad doesn't answer the user question, but this user might be interested. Okay, the user might answer for this one should be number two. Please get a screenshot of those error messages. You may use them later on. Medicare agent near me. I have to take lunch, guys. Hold on a sec. Let me switch to meal time. All right. Okay. Let me close this one out. Uh, Medicare agent 2021 best Medicare plans. User might, I guess. Let's see. It's taking a while to submit. Yep, we got it right. Addition to this is I'm not sure what this one is. For me, it's number three. Let's see how it goes. Search is vague, but search results don't indicate it is related to math. Okay. Walmart, definitely no. No, number one. Yep. Moving on to the next is Detroit Tigers, official Tigers gear. This is going to be user would, user might click. Yep. Unforgettable Love 2021 episode 19 English sub. Uh, this is going to be this one, number one. Yep. Moving on to the next is Los Angeles. User might, of course. Yep. Papa John's. Definitely user might click on it. Moving on to the next is Ra. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is going to be user might click. Moving on to the next. I think okay. We are now moving on to the quali. So for the quali, we have to complete 20 hits. That's a lot. I hope we pass it. Volvo truck dealer near me. User for this one, number one. Chick-fil-A user might apply for sanitation for Tyson Foods coming. Tyson products. User might as well. Okay, user um the wants to apply for sanitation job for Tyson Foods in Cummings, Georgia. The ad offers Tyson food products. Okay, I'm sorry. So we got one error out of 20. Freeze dryer machine. User might. Yeah. Wow, my computer is lagging. All right, drug detox treatment centers near me. Yeah, user might. Okay, another wrong answer. So two mistakes out of 20. Fender Boss guitar. That's user might click. Best Buy online shopping. Add mini exact search. Add offers part limited selection could be a recommended additional purchase replacement alternative. Best Buy online shopping. Amazon tablet. User might still. I think, yeah. Yep. So it's an alternative to Best Buy. Portable air conditioner. Consumer reports. User would not for me. iMart Express price glasses. Uh, Here to help you find the right pair of glasses and contact lenses. Schedule your eye exam with iMart Express prices. Um, I would say this is going to be user might. It's an alternative. Yep, we got it right. Survey Monkey. Uh, Earn up to user might for me. Okay, three mistakes out of 20. The user wants to go to Survey Monkey and online. I'm not sure why, but Vindale, I think, is another survey company. Anyways, let's proceed. Promo codes for Amazon Prime. Free coupon, just 2 clicks. This is user would not for me. Yep, we got it right. Coldwell Banker real estate listings. Uh, yeah, it's number two. Hotmail.com sign in. Um, Number two for me. Okay, Hotmail. I thought Hotmail was bought by Microsoft, so it still has a different sign-in page. Job ad postings. That's user might click. I think we already have four mistakes out of 20. Comfort Suites. Number two. Baked pork chops with dry onion soup. Poisonous foods. Number one here. RN Jobs West Palm Beach. Definitely. User might click on it. Madeira, Portugal. User might click. Okay, five mistakes out of 20. Please go ahead and capture again a screenshot of those errors we are getting. Mixed breed puppies. User might, of course. Orbits. Orbits hotel deals. This is going to be user would not. Okay, we pass it. Again, the name of the hit is Would the user click this ad to English? Again, my name is Ghost, and please be reminded that we have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines and Ghost Stay Hitters. For you to join the group, please subscribe to this tutorial channel. Go to Facebook. The link is on top of the channel's banner. and you have to answer the relevant membership questions before we can welcome you there. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials and hit that notification bell to, of course, get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.